Ness-ana TV. Okay, everyone, welcome back to the class. Are you ready? Okay, who can remind us our topic? Very good. We said our topic is what? 3-letter words. Again, 3-letter words. And we said 3-letter words are those words formed by correctly using or adding 3 letters together. 3-letter words are those words formed by correctly using or adding 3 letters together. That's beautiful. Okay, let's go to examples of 3-letter words. Or better still, let us form 3-letter words by adding 3 letters together. The first letter is letter S, and letter S sounds S. Can you do that again? S. The next one, A. Again, A. The third one, T. Again, T. And then we have S, A, T. Again, S, A, T. And the 3-letter words we can form from these 3 letters is what? Sat. Very good. Again, sat. S, A, T. Sat. The next number 2. The first letter we have is letter F, and letter F sounds F. Again, F. The next one, A. Again, A. The next one, T. Again, T. And then we have F, A, T. Again, and the 3-letter word here is what? Fat. Beautiful. Okay, the next one is R. Letter R sounds R. The next one, A. Again, A. The third one, T. Again, T. And then we have R. Art. Again, art. And the 3-letter word rat. Very good. Rat. The next one, the letter here is letter W, and letter W sounds W. Again, W. The next one, A. Again, A. The third one, T. Again, T. And then we have W, A, T. Again, W, A, T. Very good. And then the 3-letter word there is what? Wet. W, A, T. Wet. Very good. The next one, the first letter is letter B, and letter B sounds B. Again, B. The next one, O. Again, O. The third one, G. Letter G sounds G. And then we have B, O. Again, B, O, G. And then we have bug. Very good. The 3-letter words we formed from B, O, G is what? Bug. Very good. Thumbs up. Okay, let's go to the next one. Letter P. Letter P sounds. P. Again. P. You puff out the candle. P. The next one. P. Again. P. Letter N sounds. And that is the third one. And then we have P. Again. P. And then we have pin. Can you do that again? Pin. You don't want to touch that. Remember, pin is a sharp object and it can hurt you when you touch it carelessly. Please don't do that.